So at this point, you've done two editing of two very simple little pictures, but you get the idea of how Lightroom works. But now we actually have to take the stuff out of Lightroom so that you can put it into OneNote for me. You can see here I've got my File Explorer open into the D drive under my name, under your name, and I'm going to come into the Lightroom tutorial folder. And there's SAM 1 and 2. They don't look changed at all. Well, I'm going to create a new folder here, and we're going to click on New Folder, and we're going to go Edited. Now you can call that anything you want as long as you know where you're putting all this stuff. That's the first thing you're going to do. Then we're going to come back into Lightroom. So what we need to do now is we need to take these two guys right here and we're going to actually export them. So I'm going to hold down the Shift key, click on the first one, hold down the Shift key, and then I'm going to come in here to the Library module and down here where it says Export. So here's the steps. We're going to come into Lightroom presets here. Okay, I'm going to go burn full-size JPEGs, which is great, but we're going to make some changes. Up here to export, we're going to change that to the hard drive. We're going to go choose folder later, useful for presets. That's what we're going to do later. We're not going to worry about anything else in that one. We're going to jump here. We're going to rename this, and we're going to change this to custom name, and we're going to call it your name. And at this point, you can call it your name and whatever the name of the project is. In this case, I'm just going to go Sam Edit. Now, what happens here is it's going to go Y of Y. So we have two pictures. So it's going to go Sam Edit 1, Sam Edit 2. We're going to come down here under File Settings. We're going to go Image Format as JPEG, Color Spaces sRGB, which is great. We're going to change the quality to 80. Again, you need to change, stop the video if you need to here and make these changes. Resize to fit. Height and width. We're going to keep those at 1000, 1000. Now what happens there is the long edge will become 1000, the shorter edge will become whatever it needs to be. Next thing is we need to change the resolution down to 72. And then we can come down here, output sharpening, sharpen for screen, and we're just going to go standard. Then all you have to do is say export. Now it's going to ask you where you want to put it, so we'll go to the computer, the data D, my name, your name, there we go, Lightroom tutorials, edited, and then we'll go down here to select folder, and up here it'll say, hey, we're exporting two files, and it's done. So go ahead and do those things, and I'm going to show you how to add it to OneNote afterwards.